The strawberry generation is very famous nowadays. They are known as a generation that wrinkles easily like strawberries, which means they cannot face social pressure. They are considered more vulnerable to difficulties. This is where the important role of parents is very necessary. Today, as the affirmative team, we agree about parents from a middle-income family would adopt free-range parenting as opposed to helicopter parenting. But before that, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. General educators, the timekeepers, our beloved opponent team, and distinguished guests. First of all, I'm Nadia Kamila Lokeswari. As the first speaker, will deliver the definition, limitation, and substantive points that support the motion. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give definition and also limitation to our today's debate motion first. In Indonesia, particular culture and the need to respect parents often cause adult children to still depend on their parents for decision making, even in matters of work, marriage, and finance. A study by the University of California, Berkeley found that parents who interfere too much in their children's life tend to have children who are less independent, have lower self-esteem, and are more prone to depression. Although there is no specific data for Indonesia, international trends and studies show that interfering too much in children's decision-making in adulthood can have a negative impact on children's self-confidence, independence, and mental well-being. It's important to remember that every family and culture has different values and norms. However, it's important to encourage children to develop independence and the ability to make their own decisions by providing appropriate support and guidance, not excessive control. The reason why the free parenting is better than helicopter parenting are 1. Indonesian employment rate is high by Indonesia data to 2023 if we compare to the other Southeast Asia countries. Due to helicopter parenting, many children don't have high social skills because they are always directed by their parents. 2. Lack of self-confidence. 90% of young people in Indonesia have a very low level of self-confidence. So, many young Indonesians feel insecure about making their own decision because they are used to their parents always interfering. 3. Anxiety and depression. Pressure to live up to parents' expectations and fear of their disappointed can lead to anxiety and depression in adult children. 4. Educational background. Parents from the middle class usually have a background that is not high enough. Therefore, with a low educational background, they cannot provide a good education for their children. 5. What figures have achieved many success by implementing free-range parenting? There are Steve Jobs, and Indonesia figures are Raffi Ahmad. This suggests that free-range approach can be an important factor in creating successful and impactful individuals. Free-range parenting has brought to light a fundamental question: How do we raise children who are not only successful but also adaptable, resourceful, and prepared to face the challenges of the 21st century? Free-range parenting is not about abandoning our children. It's about equipping them with the tools they need to thrive. It's about nurturing their independence, their creativity, and their resilience. It's about fostering a spirit of exploration, a willingness to take a risk, and a deep-seated belief in their own abilities. As parents from a middle-income family in Indonesia, we understand the challenges and opportunities that face our children. We see a world that is rapidly changing, where adaptability and critical thinking are essential for success. We believe that free-range parenting, by allowing children to learn from their experience, to develop their own passion, and to forge their own paths, is the best way to prepare them for this dynamic future. Therefore, we stand firmly in support of free-range parenting. It's not just only a parenting style, it's a powerful investment in the future of our children and the future of our nation.